Hello everyone, this is Dev Gian, and today we're going to talk about how to activate your virtual environment. So today I'll be using a what you call console emulator, which is the CMDR, or if there's other way of pronouncing that console emulator. So let's get started. So what I am doing in order to activate the virtual environment is I will go to settings. This is the settings. Click settings, and then on the general, click choose your startup task, which is the bash as admin. Once you have selected that, you can click and save the settings. So first thing we need to do is to go to the directory which we installed our virtual environment. So it's on the ls. I'm on D. I need to clear this one and then go to cd code tutorial python 002. So we are already inside our directory. So let's start activating our virtual environment. So in order to activate that, you should type source and then env, the folder of the virtual environment. Go to scripts and activate. So you will know that the environment is already activated when you see this env on the left side. So that's how you activate the virtual environment in Python. So hope this helps to people that is new to Python, and if this helps, please don't forget to support and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.